Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through different symbols in Python, which are known as operators. Well, by definition, operators are those symbols that allow us to perform different operations in Python. In our childhood, while learning English, we have started with the alphabets A, B, C, D, right? Similarly, the operators is those symbols that you need to learn to start your Python journey. Well, in different purposes, we will use different operators. So you should be very clear with this, as it's a fundamental concept of Python. We will be describing all operators with examples. In this video, I'm gonna cover specifically two operators. One is arithmetic operator, another one is assignment operator. So let us start with the arithmetic operator in Jupyter. Okay, these are the symbols we have in arithmetic operators. Starting from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiations, and floor division. Well, let's understand all with some examples. For a moment, let's consider Python as a calculator. So if I write like 1 plus 2 plus 3, and if I hit the run button, here you can see I got 6. It gives me the output exactly like a calculator. Similarly, you can subtract, multiply, or divide something as well. Like if I write 2 multiplied by 4, here we got 8. Again, if I write 6 divided by 2, and here I got 3. That's great. Now let's see what modulus operator tells us. It gives you the remainder value in division, and the symbol is percentage. Although it's pretty strange, but that's how it does for many other programming languages as well. So don't be confused by looking at the percentage symbol here. Okay, now let's dive into an example. If I run 5% 3, it means for 5 divided by 3, the remainder should be 2. And see, that's what we got in our output. After that, we have exponentiation operator, which performs exponential calculation, where the symbol is double star or double multiplication symbol, right? For instance, if I write 2 double multiplications 3, it means 2 to the power 3. That's what the exponential does. Here 2 will be multiplied for 3 times. And the result is 8, as you can see here in the output. Cool. Finally, we have floor division arithmetic operator, which skips value after decimals in division. And the symbol is double forward slash, or double division symbol, I can say. For example, if I divide here 1 by 3, here you can see we got the result as 0.33333. Now, if I use floor division, you can see our result is 0, because the job of floor division is to skip the value after decimals. I hope you understand that. Great. As we learned arithmetic operator, now let's talk about assignment operator. What assignment operator does, in Python, it is used to assign values of a variable. In fact, we already learned this in the last video while we discussed about the variables in Python. Now let's see what we have in assignment operator. First of all, we have the equal symbol, which is used to assign a variable. For example, if I write x equal to 5, here by using the equal sign, we are assigning value of a variable x. At next, we have additional assignment symbol as well, What it does, it adds the value to the right, it adds the value of the right operand to a variable and assigns the result to the variable. For example, if I write x plus equal 5, so plus equal is the symbol of additional assignment. It means x equal to x plus 5. Here you can see I have added a comment for you as well. Don't be confused with that, by the way. So previously we have assigned x equal to 5. Now the result should be 5 plus 5 means 10. And that's what we got in our output. Great. Similarly, it works for all other arithmetic operators such as subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. Let's try out a few more examples like this. If I define x equal to 5, y equal to 3, and if I run x multiplication equal to y, which means multiplication assignment. So it means x equal to x multiplied y. So x is 5, y is 3. So it means 5 multiplied by 3. And you can see after hitting the run button, when I'm asking what is x, it is giving me the result as 15. Again, I'm saying you can see here by using hash symbol, I have added another comment for you to understand. Similarly, for division assignment, that means x slash equal to y, which means it should be x equal to x by y. That means 5 by 3. And the result you can see is 1.666. Similarly, that works for other division, modulus, or exponential operator as well. That's all about arithmetic and additional assignment. See you in the next video with some other operators as well. Thank you very much. Before you pause my video, make sure you do subscribe my YouTube channel, or from any other platforms you're watching this video, you can connect with us by clicking the follow or any other button. Thank you very much.